Have you ever envied that individual who effortlessly captures the attention and interest of any woman he encounters? Well, that person could be you. Contrary to popular belief, the ability to gain power and influence over women is not an innate gift, but rather a skill that can be acquired. It's not about manipulation or changing who you are. It's about understanding key insights into female psychology and leveraging them to your advantage. In this video, we'll explore the secrets to becoming that charming and charismatic individual who effortlessly holds sway over women. Adopt an attractive mentality. The first step in gaining power over any woman is to cultivate an abundance mindset. Instead of fixating on the idea that there's only one special person for you, shift your perspective to believe in unlimited options and opportunities. This mindset not only makes you more attractive to women, but also frees you from the need to chase after any one individual. To embody this mindset, focus on self-improvement by engaging in activities such as exercise, pursuing hobbies, and following your passions. Become the kind of intriguing and accomplished man that naturally draws female attention. Additionally, practice striking up conversations with women in various settings, from public places to coffee shops and parties. The more you engage, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Remember, don't fixate on any one woman. Maintain an open mind and explore the abundant possibilities. This mindset is the key to gaining power over any woman effortlessly. The art of composure. Remain non-reactive. To gain power over any woman, it's crucial to remain non-reactive. Refrain from emotional outbursts or impulsive actions in response to her words or actions. Stay calm and composed even when faced with testing situations. Women often assess how men handle pressure, and a reactive response can diminish your power in their eyes. Whether she flirts with others in your presence or attempts to provoke a reaction through cancellations or criticisms, resist the urge to react impulsively. Maintain a stoic demeanor and respond in a controlled, rational manner, or choose not to respond at all. Your composure showcases strength and confidence, making it clear that you cannot be easily swayed by emotion or manipulation. By staying non-reactive, you gain control over the situation, allowing you to respond strategically and maintain power. Continue to be independent. Independence is a key component in gaining power over any woman. Avoid making a woman the center of your world or prioritizing her needs over your own. Demonstrate that you have a life outside the relationship with your own goals, hobbies, and friends. While enjoying her company, make it evident that your happiness and fulfillment are not dependent on her. Women are attracted to men with a strong sense of self who don't bend over backward to please them. Politely decline when your plans conflict with hers, and make it clear that you have other commitments. Setting boundaries and maintaining independence not only safeguards your power, but also makes you more appealing to her. By staying true to yourself, you become the man she was initially attracted to. Move things forward with confidence. Once a connection is established and rapport is built, it's time to move things forward with confidence. Believe in yourself, and she will follow suit. Introduce intentional touches, light and casual, to build both physical and emotional intimacy. Flirt openly, tease playfully, and make your romantic interest known through compliments and eye contact. When the moment is right, suggest a clear and unambiguous date. Express your interest with confidence, making it easy for her to reciprocate or decline gracefully. If she declines, remain confident and try again after some time. Physical escalation on the first romantic date should be approached with confidence and assertiveness, paying attention to her signals and maintaining a balance between playfulness and respect. By incorporating these principles into your approach, you'll find yourself effortlessly becoming the charming and charismatic individual who holds influence over women. Be patient, pay attention to her responses, and boldly move forward while giving her the space to come to you.